Hello, we are back mga ka-flatmates. Andito na naman kami.
Hi, flatmates! So ngayon, as promised, we are gonna do the unboxing of the BTS Army membership kit. Okay. So before we unbox this,
We need to introduce ourselves.
okay, I'm KJ.
I'm Leo.
My name is Frieza.
And we are the three aces!
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, we're a bit shy type because we're not used to speaking in English. English is only our work language. We don't use it outside. So, anyway, so just a quick backstory.
Yeah.
I'm a new fan of BTS. So, I've only been in ARMY for a year, or almost a year. I've only discovered them when I saw their video with James Corden during the carpool karaoke. So, fun fact, karaoke means empty orchestra.
Empty orchestra. Really?
Oh, anyway, so
you.
both of them were already fans when I get to know BTS. So I was telling them I was so excited because I want to know if James Corden will be singing in Korean. So I ended up watching the video, and then after a month, I found myself in deep thought about BTS. Can't sleep, can't eat,
Wow, so
can't
deep.
breathe.
So deep.
So I ended up being an official ARMY. I bought this membership. So before we open this friendship, why don't you share your BTS story?
Why not let Risa start?
For me, I just discovered them through probably compilation of videos on YouTube of the 10 most or hardest dances in K-pop, and I think Fire was there. Originally, I was just scrolling through YouTube because of 17, another K-pop group. But yeah, that's my backstory for BTS.
What era of BTS?
Fire era.
Fire.
So I don't know which album that is, but I started from Fire.
So, me, I became a fan on One Day era. Just one day? I already forgot the title, but that's it. And then, so I think that's their first year.
Since debut then.
Their debut.
Debut
So
year.
since then, I've been following them because I really like their song. And that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So
I
it's
think
like,
out of the three of us, he's the hardcore fan.
Oh my
yeah, so
God.
this is the original
Yeah.
fan. This is the official fan.
This is the hardcore fan.
This is the official fan because he got this,
Yes,
she got this.
exactly.
While me, I'm just like lace for fan.
Yeah, same here.
Oh my God.
Same here.
No, you know what? He has a BTS t-shirt. Not one,
Oh my God.
but two t-shirts. And you know, when I wasn't a fan back then, when we just arrived here in London, in 2019,
Oh my
we were
God.
doing our laundry. We were living in a hospital accommodation back then. And he told me, like, he called me Te, meaning older sister. Oh my God, Te, my t-shirt got stolen. And I said, what t-shirt? And he said, my BTS t-shirt. And I was like,
Oh my
meaning to say BTS is so popular that they will wait for your tumble drying to finish, and then they
Search
through your old clothes and then steal your BTS t-shirt. I couldn't believe it. But now, you know, now that I'm a fan, oh, it's possible. Really? Anyway.
But I never found the shirt.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what
Another
happened.
fun fact, when we, I think when we got here, I think a few days later would be the concert for BTS
Yes,
in London.
that's July 1. I'm very, very sure about that.
Okay. Enough with the talking.
Sorry.
So,
Personalized.
I don't know. I don't know. So we're gonna open it now. So, by the way, another fun fact. Oh my God, they're full of fun facts. We're so fun. Group of fun people. So, I bought this around April, and it only reached UK the 10th of December.
Is,
Yeah.
there's no pandemic.
No,
There was already.
I don't know what's with the delay, but
December 10th.
yeah, I received this on the 10th of December. I was, you know, I wanted to open it then, but I started with my new job. I got busy, no time to record, and then we had COVID, the two of us.
Yeah.
So anyway, now that we fully recovered, let's
Time to
just
open it.
do the honors friendship.
Okay. It's already open.
I told you, I
No,
just
this
took
one, I
it
think
back.
this
Just
one,
the
I
tape,
think.
just the
Just the tape.
tape, yeah.
Okay.
Just the top one, I guess.
Oh, sorry. Oh my God.
Careful.
Careful. Okay.
Okay. Oh my God.
Wow.
Wow. It's finally here. But wait. Before we show it to our audience, we need to do a BTS fan chant. We need to do the fan chant. Okay. Ready?
What?
Kim Namjoon.
Oh my God. I don't memorize that, but let's go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Kim
Kim
Namjoon,
Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Hoon-suk, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, Jung Jungkook, BTS. Oh my God, guys.
I don't know the
I
order.
Kim Namjoon and then Kim Seokjin and then Min
Oh my
Yoongi.
God.
Well, I don't know.
No, wait a
yet.
minute. This is the first one. What is
Okay.
this? Ah, okay.
Just show them like a peek.
Yes, this is
Like
it.
that.
With this one.
So this
So-
is, let me just
Okay.
remove it from this, and then it has my full name. Just so I'll just show it.
The thing
Yeah?
is,
Okay.
does she know how to do it?
How to edit it out.
Okay,
Anyway,
wait,
so
wait.
for those who are wondering where I got this, it's an official merchandise from Weavers. So what are the perks of a BTS
Yes.
army member? I think we have exclusive access to videos, and there are some merchandise that you can only purchase if you are a member. And if you're planning to go to Korea and watch their music show, you can only book, I think,
Through-
something
through
through if you have the membership. I'm not too sure about that because I haven't been to Korea, unfortunately.
Nothing else in the box.
That's
Just
it?
this one. It's empty. Okay, so
What's
Let's
this
open
box?
it.
Open it.
What's this box?
I don't know. So
So it just
yeah,
comes with how much did you pay for
oh, yes, they. Oh.
the membership?
it's £30. No, $30 is the actual kit. However, to ship to the UK, it costs an extra $38. So in total, I paid $68 for this.
The shipping
Now you know he's a hardcore fan. Okay, so I think it's still in very good shape. Not indentation. Okay.
It's dry and intact. Oh my God. Okay. Oh
Perfect.
wow. So
That's it.
what's inside the BTS Army membership kit? It's this. I think it's a bag tag.
You know, we didn't comment about the packaging or something.
Oh
I think
yeah.
they designed it
Like-
like a, what's that?
Like
The
what do you call that?
Clapboard? Clapboard?
Clap-
I'm not.
Is that what?
clipboard.
No, it's not
No.
clapboard.
It's like what you use when you're shooting.
Yeah, when you're
Yeah.
filming or something.
I don't know what's that called. You know?
So,
So
very
as I
nice.
mentioned, it's a bag tag. So I'll use this when I travel, hopefully
sometime soon.
sometime soon.
Nice.
What is this?
I think it's a tape.
Tape measure.
No, no, no.
Decorative tape.
Another one.
Art tape.
That you can use to decorate something or,
Yeah, it's a.
Yeah,
I think
usually.
it is a decorative tape.
Okay.
Oh
so
my God, I can see Jungkook. By
There's,
the way, my bias is Jungkook.
there's a user guide for this.
and this is
It's a user guide.
Jean.
Oh,
What
jeez.
is Jean?
Okay. I don't know what this is, but it's,
It's
a
a
user.
user
Oh,
guide.
it's a user guide.
User guide for the things here. I think.
Oh, okay. So Jin, yeah.
I'll
Okay.
keep this because it's.
Sorry, we don't understand.
No, I'm not.
No, they are trying to study Korean language. But
Okay, this is a pin.
it's like a badge, yeah.
Yeah.
Is this Kim Seokjin's penmanship?
I think so. It's amazing. What's that?
I don't know. Show it to the camera.
It's a Rapmon.
Or
This is a. Oh, but it says Jungkook here. I think it's all the members. You need to open it actually.
Yeah, let's
Yes.
open it.
What do you call this one?
poster cards or
Yeah.
Poster cards.
There you go.
Just cards.
Oh,
It's
my-
all the
oh,
members.
My baby.
Yes.
My baby.
Where's
Oh
Jane?
my God.
Jane, let me see Jane.
Oh my
Uy,
God.
wow!
So we have here J-Hope. I hope
Belated
it's clear.
happy birthday,
Oh yes.
J-Hope.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then
okay.
We have.
I think Jimin is winning. Look at this.
I think yeah.
This
Best
is me.
postcard here.
This is my baby, Jungkook.
Who's that?
Jin.
Oh.
It says zombie zip. I think there's something like zombie zip.
Where else? Who else?
Rapmon is young man. Suga is perfect man.
Not sure about
So by the way, Leo's claim to fame is that he has the same birthday as Rap
Yes.
Monster. So every time we invite people in our flat and we're singing BTS songs, he will point at RM and say, "Oh, he has the same birthday as me."
But I'm a Jimin bias.
Hanbang? Hanbang.
Yeah. Hope boy J.
Journeyman.
Yes.
Perfect man for
These
the
are nice.
Okay.
Mhm. It's designed like a movie ticket.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
You're so smart.
then
Yes.
I didn't even notice
It's like the
that.
title of the movie.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, what's the
I
title?
like
of
the
Jungkook?
concept actually.
Yeah, it's Zoo.
Oh my God.
Zombie that.
Okay, I'll look for the Jungkooks later. Let's move on to
I
this.
don't
They're
Hanbang.
very big. Oh, okay. J-Hope and RM. It's a very big poster.
Is this a poster?
Yay!
Are you going to hang it somewhere?
Maybe in
Yeah,
our
do
flat. I'll hang it.
She will just give it for sure.
No, we'll hang it
Where will you hang it?
here in the
Kitchen.
in the
Tiny
in the
area.
dining area. Oh my God.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with this.
It's actually very nice. Even the back is very nice.
Yeah.
You know,
That's
Jin
very
looks
nice.
so good.
Oh, let me see Jim.
Frames.
But
One frame.
it would have been
Aw,
nice if
purple
they
hair.
rolled it, not folded it, you know.
Yeah, with the creases.
Okay. And last but definitely not the least,
Same thing.
what is this?
It's something?
No, it's the profile. Oh,
It's like the profile book, coffee book.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, that's it. Copy.
so RM.
There's no English translation.
RM.
Yes, my ka-birthday.
Oh, still RM.
Nice.
RM and
No, this is
so,
no,
is it all RM?
Actually, this
Probably
is very
not.
nice. This is RM every month. Like since he started on 2013.
Oh, it's like a timeline of
Yes.
Oh.
Profile
The
photos are
2019.
like
Yeah.
kits that they give. Now it's
Suga.
all I really like the concept of
Suga.
white shirt and just simple clothes for them.
It's like a boy next
Boy
door
Next Door
look.
concept,
Yeah.
Yes.
So in this magazine, they show their look in all the eras.
Yes.
Is it called eras?
Yeah.
that's how they say
That-
it.
Okay. Oh, sugar.
It's weird though.
Actually,
Oh, it's Jin.
Shouldn't Jin come first and then Yoongi?
no, I think it. Yes.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Anyways, it doesn't matter actually.
I remember during
You know.
their Dark and Wild era,
Mhm.
Suga made like an unboxing of their album. as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes, one.
Okay. What's your favorite Jin era?
Me,
Mm-hmm.
it's hard because it's like his visuals doesn't change much.
This is.
Just his hair.
J-Hope. J-Hope. Yeah.
I really like J-Hope's singing voice,
Oh,
but
me
I also
too.
like his rapping voice.
Me too. He was the reason that I got hooked with that carpool karaoke video. It's his body rolls. You know,
His body.
yeah, like, I'm not into pop songs really. Like, my songbook is not updated since 2005 or something. And then I only learned the song Black Widow
Because of that.
because of the BTS carpool karaoke. Oh, this one's Jimin, your bias.
He has the best voice.
I like Jimin
BTS.
in the what's the No More Dreams era. I like
Oh.
Jimin. Yeah,
That's their first. Yeah.
that's their debut song, right?
Yes.
I like the fact that he's showing his abs.
Oh my god.
Do that again, Jimin. If ever this video reach you. Oh, V is kind of my bias wrecker. But my favorite era of V is this era,
Yeah.
the Dynamite era. Siyempre, last but definitely not the least,
Who is this?
our baby,
Ah, Jun.
Golden Maknae.
Golden Maknae, Jungkook. Oh my god, I'm telling you, it's such a shame that I'm a lot of years older than Jungkook. Otherwise, I'd be all over his business, Actually, I'm still all over his business despite our age difference. When I just started, discovering BTS, I was so in love with Jungkook. I wrote a lot of love songs about him. So maybe next time I'm gonna vlog it. But the problem is, I don't know how to sing. I don't know how to compose melody. So any composers out there, help me out.
At the moment. So we love poem.
But honestly, since the debut, he has always been a visual to the group.
Okay,
No.
don't say that because the fan of the visual is right next to you. Why you do this? So officially, Jungkook is not the visual, but it's just his visuals are breathtaking.
He's one of the visual lines, so you can say that he's a visual, but he's not like the official visual of
Yeah,
BTS.
because the official visual is Jin.
According to
Kim
Lisa.
Sok Jin.
According to
Okay,
Lisa.
so-
It's according to Wikipedia.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it for our unboxing.
Yes.
Let us know who your bias is.
Put in the comment down
Put in
below.
the comment down below.
Okay. Yes.
Is that it?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed our unboxing of
Simple
The-
unboxing video.
yes, BTS Army
Yes, membership.
Membership kit.
Beyond the Sea.
Then, anyway,
Hopefully,
so please stay tuned
for our next.
for our next unboxing. We're gonna unbox
What are we going to unbox?
the time. Okay, she will explain this one. Teresa.
So all the BL lovers out there, the next one we're going to unbox is the Parn type box set.
Okay, and the problem is, guys, after we unbox the Tarn type box set, we don't have anything to unbox. So our neighbors, if you bought something new and still in a box, please send it to us. And
Before
we'll open
opening.
it for you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hopefully our content would not be all unboxing.
No, I have
Yes.
an idea. We're